Today let us do unboxing video of bundle Air65 from Betafpv. The Air65 that I get is Freestyle version, which have 23,000 kV on the motor. It come with Betafpv 1S6 port charger, 5-pox Lava 1S 260 mAh battery, and Air65. Let's look at the Betafpv 1S6 port charger. The build quality is very nice, but it doesn't come with any Type-C to Type-C cable, so we have to use our own plug and cable. Betafpv is so nice. They send me a freebies air canopy. Here are the 5-pox Lava Series 260 mAh batteries. This is the one that I prefer as it is really light in weight. The Lava Series also come out with 1S 300 mAh, which is also suitable for Air65. Here is the freebies, the black color air canopy. Let's open and have a look what we get. We got one sets of 31mm ultralight HQ props. We got one pack of screws for pin adapter cable and also USB Type-C adapter board. Oh, and one extra air canopy as well. And here comes the upgraded version of Beta Air65. And like the previous version that come with 4-in-1 board which has external ELRS receiver, the new Air65 come with 5-in-1 board that has built-in internal ELRS receiver. They even modify the air canopy by trimming a bit of the canopy around the UFL connector, which can enhances the durability while crashed. Thank you for watching.